Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to save and find saved post on LinkedIn. So for this you have to go for your LinkedIn account first. Now scroll down and choose this post which you want to save or uh, find this. So I'll just click on this three dot section and go for save it. And again if I go for this G dot and go for save, so now just scroll up and you can see that my items here, so click on it. Okay, now you can see these two saved posts are here, so you can just click on it and read it from here. So guys, this is how you can save and find saved post on LinkedIn. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.